In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this ACT math question easily and fast using the T84 Plus scientific calculator. So the question says, what is the median of this data we have? Now guys, this is very simple with the calculator. The very first thing we have to do is to reset the calculator to put it in default mode. So to reset, press second button, this plus button, press 7 to reset, press 1 to reset all around, then press 2, and it will do that for you. Alright, so it's done. Press this clear button. Now to input this data, you are going to press this start button. Alright, so under edit, press enter. Okay, so let's work with list 1. Alright, so let's input the data here for list 1. So let's begin. We have 0.024. Follow me guys, this is very easy. Then we have 0.008. Alright, then we have 0.1. Okay, we have 0.024. 0.024. Alright, enter. Then we have 0.095. 0.095. And lastly we have 0.3. 0.3. Okay, so as you are inputting the values, they are being stored on the calculator automatically. So now we are done solving. Let's get the median. Very simple. Just press the start button again. This is my one. Go to calculate. Alright, under calculate, go for one variable statistics. Alright, press enter for it. So we want to get the one variable statistics for list 1. Just press enter again. Press enter again for this to go to calculate this indication. Alright, so we are good to go. Press enter once more to get the output. So it's solving it. So this is the values respectively. This is the S bar. This is the sigma S, but we're looking for median guys. Alright, so this S bar is just the mean. Alright, but we're looking for the median. Just go down. You're going to see median is 0.0595, which is option C. 0.0595. That will be the answer to this question, option C. So it's as simple as this. This is basically how you can find median of data using the TI84 Plus scientific calculator. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's call it a video here guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel for more of my videos. So like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I have taught in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Alright, so don't forget to reset the calculator. Once you're done, just press the second button, this plus button, then 7, press 1 and press 2. Alright, you're good to go. And click on the screen above and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.